So to go headless with the Raspberry Pi, that's what we're going to cover here. You do need to log into your Raspberry Pi once with a keyboard and mouse. And as you can kind of see up here, I'm going to bring up a terminal. And once terminal opens, I'm going to put in if config, enter. And so it's this, sorry for the shakiness here, it's this address right here that I'm going to need to take note of, 172.1639.9. So that's it. Then I could go to my computer and I'll transfer to that now. So now I'm on my computer. I'm going to show you how I can SSH in, and that's just in terminal. I just brought up terminal, which you can just do in search in here, terminal, right? Bring that up, and that's with every Mac. You can also do this on a PC as well. So you do SSH pi at, and that address, which was 172.16.39.9, press enter, and you're going to get this asking you if this is okay to connect to this host. I'm going to say yes, and then it's going to prompt me in a second here. It should prompt me for the password. Yes, it does. So you need to know your password. By default, the username is Pi and the password is Raspberry. I'll show you where you can actually change that as well. So I put in the password. Now I'm in. You can tell I'm in by this saying Pi at Raspberry. And so I'm on, for all intents and purposes, I'm on this Raspberry Pi. I can do an ls command, press enter, and this is all the files that are in my Pi folder. I could change directories with CD. I'm not going to do that right now. I'll show you. You can do passwd, and it asks for your current password. You put that in, and now it'll ask you for a new password. And so now I have a new password there. So you can do that at any time. And so what I do is you can run commands here like sudo python. If you have any Python things you want to run, you can do that. I'm not going to run that right now, but this is, for all intents and purposes, you're on your Raspberry Pi. Now the one thing I like to do though is I program on my Mac and then use FileZilla to send things up there. It's a lot easier than the SSH command for sending things up there. And so you'll notice I have that IP address that I got from the Pi. I chose SFTP instead of FTP. That's important. You won't be able to connect otherwise. And by the way, I'll give you a link to FileZilla. It's a free download. And I changed this to normal from anonymous and put in my username and my password, which I'll have to change now. And hit connect. I changed it because I just changed it on the Pi there. And there you go. I'm in. So I can see the directory. There's those files that we saw when we did the ls, right? And I could transfer anything over. Basically, I can kind of right-click, download. If I'm over here this is on my computer, I can go to music and say I want to upload this song, just upload, or if I double-click, it uploads as well. And that is, I'll just show you there. That should send it there, and I can see here to what's actually being uploaded. Up there it shows you, right? And so that's how you can transfer files back and forth. Like I said, I like to do programming on my Macs, shoot it up there, and then run it via terminal. Okay, that's it. That's how you go headless with the Pi. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's any follow-up videos you'd like me to make. Thanks.